This is so rusty and seized and messed up. It gets stuck here and I have to take it over to the wire wheel just to dismantle it. Okay, so this is going to be one of those vise that fights me all the way. It won't open. I think those guide rails are just too rusty. So we'll take some of that surface rust off, so once it does start moving it helps us out. You must remember with this, it's an alloy, so we've got to be a little bit gentle. We can't just attack it and bash the shit out of it to start with. So I've used some very wide, like 1.5 1.25 chisels. Opening it up a tiny bit at a time, and then in with a bigger crowbar. Once again, the little carburettor brush on the Nikita drill helps me out now. Links to every bit I've used in this video down below in the description. Okay, considering the state it was in, and it's an alloy, I've given it an etch primer. This is the colour I chose, which is nothing like the colour it came out at. Maybe I should have used a white undercoat. Don't know, not sure, don't like it too much. So, 2 coats of this blue and 2 coats of clear coat over the top. Don't forget about that like button, people. If you're liking it so far, hit the like button and YouTube might show 4 other people. So that goes on there. Goes through there like that. Right, and then this little circlet, that's the slip. Here we go. That's better. Look, left enough sticking out that side to tap in there. Just wind it in. Don't tap it in yet till you've got it in a bit. Right, and when you've got it in a bit, you want to sit on there. Don't sit on your fresh paintwork. little bit stiff. I think that's because I ain't got the oil in there yet. That's better, look at that. Bit of oil in there and it becomes one finger. There we go, look at that. What you want to do before you just reassemble, cut a little slit in there if it's not got one. You see that? I just done that with a hacksaw. So, get a piece of wood and some paper to protect your paintwork. Get your little disc. Alright, and screw that in there like that. Lovely. And screw it. I'm going to use a chisel because it's big. Alright, and spreads the load if I can get it in there. And just twist it. To open that up. Alright, so where are we? And just see there, that's opened up. Alright. That's that. Well, remember how bad it was when it started. At least you can say it looks better now.